I'm Nigel. And this is Spencer. And this is Ringo. Ringo, my dog.
All about Ringo.
And our playground and Nigel climbing it. So, yeah. And aren't you cute? Aren't you cute?
What kind of breed is he?
English Cocker Spaniel. He's really tired.
He's hot too.
He likes when you scratch him. Like, look what happens when you scratch him in the ear.
Here, hold this.
Yeah, okay, so now Spencer will climb over the playground. No, stay. Alright, ready. Stay. Wait, there's no. Okay. In the meantime, you could look at my whoa.
I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna climb back.
Alright. Yay! So no, I don't know. I can. Anyway.
His finger.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I got a haircut.
I could tell.
Yeah. I got bangs.
I like that.
I got highlights. Flapjack and his beard.
Let's go back to Ringo. We promised this episode to be all about him.
Yes. Yeah. So I got a haircut. Yeah. We're all bangs. Oh, speaking of which, I have an idea. Alright, how about we all take our bangs and then we toss them, like you always do.
How do you toss your bangs?
Like this, and then you take it up really high, and then you shake, and then your bangs come down. It's fun.
Sure.
Okay, let's see Toby do it.
I don't know how to. Okay.
Just put your bangs up and. Ringo, no. Okay, so this has been an episode of Nigel and Spencer. I'm Nigel.
And I'm Spencer.
See ya.
See you tomorrow or later, whatever.